Hi everybody. Today this is going to be a video that is going to give you a brief overview about how you can learn to make money from home. That's right. How you can learn to make money from home and help others to save money, make money, improve their credit score, get more money back in their paychecks, etc., etc. You've heard it correct. So there's this wonderful opportunity that I came across back in July. They are a business that is stable, stably founded. They've been in business going on 14 years, and they have thousands and thousands of associates that they have helped to improve their credit score, to get more money back in their paychecks, and to earn a residual income. Not just a one-time income, a residual income from home, from their phone, from anywhere for that matter. Okay, the name of this business is called My Econ. Okay, many may have heard of it. Few have taken the leap to jump at doing it to see how great it is. I promise you, joining My Econ has been nothing short of a blessing. It has changed my mindset. And keep in mind, I've been in other businesses, but nothing quite like this one. And this one has really definitely changed my mindset. It has changed my pockets. It has changed my credit score. It has changed the way that I look at life and my successes. And being able to know that I can actually make money from my phone. You know, and a lot of people think, oh, that's a scam. That's too good to be true. Oh, it can't happen. But check this out. There's plenty of places that are laying off people, that are closing, filing bankruptcy, and plenty of things are going to online. And this is where it's turning to now. We are going from more of a going to work every day, being in one stable place, to being able to work from the comforts of your own home. Okay, if you have Wi-Fi, if you have internet, any type of internet access, if you have a smartphone, and if you have a PC, any one of these things, you can make money. And so there's no reason for anybody to ever go broke. And with My Econ, they show you what to do with your money, how to reinvest your money, and how to become financially sound. They have wonderful products and services. They have several ways that you can earn money, okay? Now, like I said, just a little background. Like I said, they've been in business for 13 years, going on 14. They're based outside of Atlanta, Georgia. Okay, they're always holding conferences, and they visit from state to state, and they teach people how to become financially sound, and how to make your money work for you, essentially. Okay, several ways to make money. First, if you don't even want to make money with it, that's fine. If you want to repair your credit, you can do it from the comforts of your own home without having to reach out to a stranger to actually go and fix your credit for you. You don't even know, if it's going to really fly or not, and you done paid them hundreds of dollars. For a stranger to get access to all your personal information. So My Econ shows you personally through their setup modules how to repair your credit. My credit started out with like a 5, I think it was like a 520. I'm currently at like 3 points away from 600. So I'm like, yay me. So, My Econ shows you pretty much how to fix your credit, how to repair your own credit, and to take it into your own hands and do so. Okay, not only that, but they have what is called the income shifting membership, which shows you, first off, how to correctly fill out your W-4 form. I don't know how many of you know what a W-4 is or remember what the W-4 is, or if you even ever knew how to correctly fill it out. I know me, I didn't. Okay, I'll be honest with you, I just threw some numbers down there and hope for the best. So My Econ finally shows you how to correctly fill out your W-4 based off of your situation. It can change based off the fact of you being married, if you have a new child, if you even have a business. Okay, a business is very important, and whatever company you with, whatever employer you with, cannot withhold that from you. If you at any given point say, I need to update my W-4, they will get you another W-4 with no questions asked, and you can update it at any time. So if you're wondering, am I filling this out right, just keep in mind, what current situation are you in? Did you just get married? Did you just have a baby? Are you invested in your own business, whether it's an online business or your own business? Do you have a storefront? Um, whatever your business is, you can go and update your W-4 to match what your current situation is and start getting more money back in your paycheck versus waiting on that one little lump sum to come in February um, for you. And a lot of people think, oh, that's great, hood rich, whatever. But, a lot of people find themselves in a worse financial situation when they get that lump sum versus getting all that is your money already back to you in your paychecks. And not only that, once My Econ shows you how to get more money back in your paycheck, they show you how to reinvest it. They show you how to pay off your debt using this simple system, okay? And these are, little known facts that, hundreds of thousands of Americans, millions of Americans don't even know about, and go walking around here, just giving money away. Giving money away. You get more money back in your paycheck when you correctly fill out your W-4 versus waiting for the one big check. You get less back. Yeah. So that's another thing. So even if you never decided to bring people on with this opportunity, you automatically can get more money back in your paycheck and become more financially secure because they will show you how to reinvest. If you have a mortgage and it's taking you 30 years to pay it off, they will show you how to pay it off in less than 30 years. They have a devised plan that will show you how to eliminate thousands and thousands of dollars of debt, okay, in a shorter period of time. Next thing they have other products and services. Like if people just want to do credit repair, they have the credit repair service, identity protection services. They even have coffees. They have daily dietary supplements that they offer and discounts on travel and such. And we also have this lovely thing called the Cashback Mall where you can shop at dozens of stores that are known to the general public and save money through shopping at our cashback mall. So you have full access to that as well. And then the biggest thing of all is you have the opportunity to earn a residual income through simply referring people who want to change their lives. This is people helping people. You help yourself and you help somebody else. I know everybody knows at least 5 people who can probably stand to repair their credit. And if you don't know anybody who don't need to repair their credit, everybody knows somebody who needs to get more money back in their paycheck, who is constantly complaining about not having enough money. So this right here is going to be a no-brainer for a lot of people. And, with the compensation plan, you get to earn $35 per month. $35 per month per person that you simply refer to this, and it's a great way to make extra income. It's a great way to improve your financial lifestyle, which is going to improve your overall lifestyle. And another thing I like is that in the business, you're not in it alone. Most businesses, you have it, it's yours, you do how you want, you have, very little to no support. Well, in this business, it's a little different. It's your own business to do how you want once you sign up. So through referring people, you can advertise how you want, do how you want, but the product sell itself. Like I said, I don't know who doesn't want more money back in their paycheck. But the sweet thing about it is in the business, you have tons of support. That's right. You have communities and communities of support that backs you up. When you have a question, someone is always there to answer your question. And it's literally very supportive, okay? And nothing short of success for anybody. Everybody can be successful in this. And our team, they actually have weekly, sometimes daily trainings that show you how to promote the opportunity, how to use the things in your back office, and how to promote this to those who need it, and how to get access to the people that need it. Okay, so once you join, you are joining a community, you are joining a team, and we build off of a team. Okay, and so we all make money and we all boost each other, and you get some top-notch advice from 6 and 7 figure earners. Literally, I mean, I have some right now I can just go to 6 and 7 figure earners that show you how to create this as a steady second stream of income for you and make thousands of dollars. There are those who are making up to like 500, as low as $500 a week. And then there are those who make it anywhere from 6 to 7 figures per week, 6 to 7 thousand per week. Okay. I know the one that I'm on, who's